Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Bilt TB 370 lawnmower. Watch this video till the end to find out why you should get this mower. Bilt TB 370 Overview. Keep your garden neat with the help of this self-propelled lawnmower. It works efficiently on both large and small lawns. Bilt 370 is equipped with a 163cc Briggs Stratton engine and uses ReadyStart technology to enhance use. Since this mower comes with a 21-inch deck, you don't have to make numerous passes on a single spot. It comes with a durable steel deck. You can use this mower even on rough terrain and cut grass without straining thanks to the addition of large rear wheels. It also features a TriAction cutting system and variable speed drive. A single lever regulates the transitions between the speed settings. The presence of an ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use. What we liked: it can work on both small and large yards. Delivers a clean cut. This self-propelled mower is simple to use. It's safe to use. Works well on an uneven terrain. What we didn't like: it has a flimsy handle. This model lacks a blade brake. Bilt TB 370 specifications. From the table, you can tell that this mower has large rear wheels that enhance control. It also includes a powerful engine and is easy to start due to advanced technology. Features: variable drive system. If you have a large yard, you'll like this lawnmower since it allows you to choose the pace you prefer to mow. The lawnmower will detect the speed and match it. A lawnmower can be risky when improperly handled. The manufacturer of Bilt TB 370 minimizes such risks by equipping this model with a single lever that makes it easy to control the mowing speed. Performance: Bilt TB 370 performs well since it contains a 163cc Briggs Stratton motor that powers it. This is a self-propelled lawnmower that can tackle most environments. It's also made with ReadyStart technology, making it easy to start. This tech can also sense when the engine is overheating and makes necessary adjustments. The blade of this lawnmower also enhances performance since it leads to fine mulching. Cutting: using this lawnmower can also help you achieve a smooth cut every time you work on your lawn, thanks to the TriAction cutting system. Feel free to adjust the cutting height according to your preference. The Bilt 370 offers 6 cutting height settings that range from 1.25 to 3.75 inches. This lawnmower also has a wide 21-inch cutting deck. Durability: the manufacturer utilizes stainless steel to make the chassis of this model. Since it's also powder-coated, it does not start chipping or rusting after a short while. Though this lawnmower can handle rough treatment, it's not the most durable since the blade can get damaged. Finding a replacement blade for this lawnmower is not easy. The transmission gears of this mower also come with plastic teeth that can easily break down. Despite these issues, this lawnmower comes with a 2-year warranty that you can use in case a significant part gets damaged within this time frame. Cleaning and maintenance: since the manufacturer of this lawnmower also includes a deck wash feature, cleaning beneath the mower is a breeze. This lawnmower also comes with 3 disposable options. It includes a well-designed chute that does not clog as you remove the bag. Verdict: should you get Bilt TB 370 mower? Yes. Though the handle of this mower sometimes feels awkward, it's worth purchasing since it delivers neat cuts consistently. It's also a valuable model since it offers height adjustments and mulching capabilities and uses ReadyStart technology. Who is it best suited for? This is best suited for homeowners with large or small yards. If your lawn is rough and you're looking for a self-propelled mower, you can also choose Bilt TB 370. Are there alternatives? Yes. Some of the alternatives to this lawnmower include Bilt TB 380 XP and Honda Hydrostatic Lawnmower. The Bilt TB 380 XP is more expensive and a bit more difficult to start. On the other hand, Honda Hydrostatic is a gas-powered lawnmower best for large yards. Which features of this lawnmower do you like the most? Feel free to leave a comment in the section below. Remember to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more similar videos.